In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your orders on Sperry's website, whether you're eagerly awaiting the arrival of your new shoes or just want to review a past purchase. Logging into your Sperry account and navigating to your orders is a straightforward process that I'll guide you through today. First, let's fire up your preferred web browser on your device. Now head over to the Sperry website by typing www.sperry.com into the address bar and pressing enter. Once you're there, we need to sign into your account. Look towards the top right corner of the page and you should see a sign in button. Give it a click to bring up the login screen. Here, you'll need to enter the email address and password that you have associated with your Sperry account. Take a moment to double check your credentials to avoid any login errors. If everything checks out, go ahead and sign in. Now that you're signed in, let's proceed to access your account details where all the magic happens. Still, in the top right corner of the home page, you should see either your account name or an icon representing your account. Click on it to open up a drop-down menu. From this list of options, select My Account. This is your central hub for managing everything related to your profile and orders. After entering the My Account section, you'll notice several different options geared towards managing your profile and viewing orders. What we're looking to locate now is the option specifically related to your orders. This is typically labeled in a straightforward manner, such as orders or order history. Click on that and it will bring you to a page dedicated to all your past and present transactions with Sperry. Here, you can scroll through the list of your purchases, check the status of any ongoing deliveries, view detailed order summaries, or even initiate support for any issues you might be experiencing with a specific order. I hope this guide helps you efficiently locate your orders and manage purchases on the Sperry website. Remember, being able to easily find your orders can provide you with peace of mind, especially when waiting for a package. Feel free to reach out to Sperry's customer support if you face any issues. Thanks for watching, and let us know if you found this video helpful. Happy shopping, and have a great day.